Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will see how you will add a music. Okay, so let's start our video. So first thing, we want to add some backdrop. Whatever backdrop, see the backdrop is not mandatory, but it is looking so beautiful. That's why you can add whatever backdrop you want. Suppose I want to add this chalkboard. Okay, after that, we can add some sprite. So whatever sprite you want. Suppose I want to add the bean. Okay. So see, you will get a bean, you will get your sprite. You will get your backdrop also. So now, how you will add a music? That is most important question. Okay. So you need to just click on this add extension button. You will get music. Once you will click on that, you will get play drum. If you want a weight, you can rest for play note. You can set the instrument, you can set the tempo, you can change the tempo. Okay. So always we have to start from even like a when flag is clicked. So what we want to add this sound. Okay. So see here we have. Suppose I want to play this drum. Now see what will happen. You will get drum. So if you want this drum continuously again and again, what we can do, we can just go to this control. We can add forever. Forever means if you want anything continuously, yeah, you will get your drum continuously. Okay. After that, if you want to change instead of this drum, we have bass drum. See, you will get different sound for that. Instead of that, if you want even we can play this note also whatever note you want. Okay, see we have suppose now see you will get both the music, you will get both music. Okay, after that if you want the set instrument of piano, you will get. So after the music, if you want like this Bane will dance also, so what we can do, we can just go to this looks, we can take this costume. Let's see what will happen. While music you will get dance also. Okay, so miss we can add a music also and we can dance any character also. Okay, after that if you want to change the backdrop, what we can do, we can add one more backdrop here. Suppose I want to add this bedroom 3. After that I want to add bedroom 2 also. Okay, what we can do, we can just take this next backdrop. Okay, now see you will get backdrop changing, you will get your costume change, and you will get the music also. So in this way we can add the music, we can make any character to be dance, and we can change the backdrop. So in this video you will get about how you will add a music, how you will change the costume, and how you will change a backdrop. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.